For thousands of years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as a silent guardian of Egypt's secrets. Legends whisper of hidden chambers, curses, and treasures sealed away from the world. Tonight, we begin our journey to uncover what lies beyond the stones of history. As we step through the narrow entrance, the air grows colder and the sound of the desert fades away. Our footsteps echo against the stone, each one pulling us deeper into the unknown. The walls are covered with hieroglyphics, each symbol telling a forgotten story. Were these markings warnings or guides for those who dare to enter? We descend further down the sloping passageway. The silence is overwhelming. Only the sound of our breath and the occasional crumble of stone keep us company. At last, we arrive at a chamber. The air feels ancient, heavy with secrets. Something about this room feels different, as if it has been waiting for us for 4,500 years. On the far wall, cracks reveal what might be the outline of a hidden doorway. Could this be the entrance to a secret passage? The pyramid seems to test us, daring us to push further. We squeeze through the narrow gap, entering a forbidden corridor that has not been touched for thousands of years. The air is heavier here, and every step feels like crossing into another world. Strange markings cover the walls, symbols of protection, or perhaps a warning. Some say the ancient Egyptians placed curses to protect what lies beyond. We must decide whether to go on. We push the final stone aside, and there it is, the treasure room. Golden artifacts, ancient scrolls, and statues shimmer in the torchlight. This is more than treasure. It is a doorway into the lost world of the pharaohs. As we stand in the treasure room, we realize the greatest treasure is not the gold itself, but the knowledge and history preserved here. The Great Pyramid remains a reminder that some mysteries are eternal, and perhaps some secrets are meant never to be fully uncovered. Thank you for joining this journey. Stay curious, and until next time, keep seeking the stories hidden in stone.